Hello, hello, hello. It's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday, and our theme for the month of July is to use our mixed media products, stamps, and stencils. Today, I am going to create a background using these various word phrases from various stamp collections, and I went ahead and placed them on my Close to My Heart block. I plan on using intensive black ink from Close to My Heart. Then I have my photographs, some scrap papers, an envelope for hidden journaling. Then I have, I just pointed out those two embellishments. I have word phrases, puffy stickers, clear stickers, some Becky stickers that have a white base. I have this chipboard from Cartabella, and then I have 3 papers from my July Mini Kit Monday kit. So we're going to start out with my French vanilla cardstock from Close to My Heart. Next, I secure my T ruler at the 6.5 inch mark because that's how long my Close to My Heart stamping block is, so that I can make sure that I stay straight as I stamp vertically up and down the right side of this French vanilla cardstock. I will demonstrate stamping out these word phrases twice, and then I edit the remainder out. In the upper left hand corner is the layout that I am scrap lifting, which is also over at the Mini Kit Monday Facebook group site. If you're playing around in the month of July, I have provided a combination of layouts and sketches to inspire you to use your mixed media products, stamps, and stencils. So you need to go over and check out our Facebook group site, which again, the link is listed below. All right, and voila, I have completed stamping. Now I'm going to trim 1/8 of an inch off over on the right hand side, and then on the left hand side I trim right along those word phrases. Then once I complete trimming, I use my ATG adhesive gun and I secure those stamped out word phrases onto the striped green paper, and you'll see that in just a minute. I know I'm ahead of myself. I will also take the flower pattern paper and I cut 1/4 of an inch off and I butt that right up against those word phrases. If you're curious what those words say, they say celebrate, life's a journey, be happy, ray of sunshine, enjoy the ride, life is good, and then there's some icons that I also incorporated in between all those word phrases like XXX, a star, a heart, a leaf. I can't think of what else right at the moment, but anyway, that's what I've done. And now I am ready to start layering the papers behind the photograph. So I've taken that vellum paper, which has hearts on them, and placed it under the photograph, which I did double map the photograph in a pattern paper, scrap pattern paper from my stash, and then black cardstock. Then I've taken that gingham tag and tucked it under the photograph, but on top of that vellum paper, but under that little hidden journaling envelope type thing. It's not, or a little bag. Now I am using my wet adhesive glue to secure all those layers down. And here I trim that black cardstock. I went ahead and picked it up and trimmed off the excess that I didn't want from the black cardstock. And again, that black cardstock is from Close to My Heart. Now I'm taking the lemon and the lime and I'm going to layer them up in the lower right hand corner of that photograph. But before then I said, ooh, I want to see what word phrases I would like to use to create my title. So from the Jen Hatfield word phrases that are in gold there, I am using the phrase that says enjoy your ride. So you see me cut that out. And I'm just going to place that right there. And then I'll shuffle through the other stickers to see what else I might be able to use for my title. And from the clear stickers that I picked up from Hobby Lobbies, I chose the one that says "Let's go on an adventure." So my title reads, "Let's go on an adventure, enjoy the ride." I readjust my lemon and lime over there to the left of my title. I will bring in two puffy elements in a minute. One is going to be of sunglasses and one is of an orange that will be tucked under the lemon and the lime. You see me looking at the puffy stickers, but then, oh, I know that's what I did next. I got out the Becky stickers and looked at them, and I used the one that said yes. It's black with gold word that says yes. I'm trying to think of the word. I've lost my words. I'm sorry. So there are the puffy stickers right there that I'm using. Oh, and I added 2 hearts also. And then I come in with a chipboard piece that says sunny days, and I add that right under the word phrase that says enjoy your ride. And I do ink that up using Tim Holtz Distressed Ink and Black Soot. Then I get out my Heidi Swap Color Shine in gold and I add some splatters, and then I use my Dilution Shimmer Spray. I forgot, I think I used cut grass. I think that's what it is. Yeah, cut grass. And then my layout is complete. So see how simple it is to use your stamps to stamp out a word phrase. All you need to do is get a block, go through your various word phrases and just select some and place them on the block, and then where you have spaces, add hearts and diamonds, flowers, leaves to fill in those little gaps, because if you use different types of fonts, as you can see in my layout, you'll have little gaps, and that's how you fix that to make it look cohesive and flow evenly. All right, here comes the close-ups. I appreciate you all. Get out your scrappy supplies. Document your memories in a fun, creative way. If you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And of course, give us all a thumbs up and keep coming back. Bye.